They give the definition of servants. There's 3 classes of servants. The third class, the bottom class of servant, he does what he's asked. I mean, first you have to accept orders to be a servant to begin with. I don't mean modern type servants that don't even follow what you say. But the third class servant, he'll accept, okay, I'll do what you say, but he does it reluctantly. Okay, I have to do it. It's my boss, it's my father, mother, whomever, guru. Okay, I'll do it. And the second class servant, he enthusiastically does it. He's very enthusiastic. And the first class servant, he doesn't have to be asked. He doesn't have to be asked to do service because he's in tune with the mind, icha, desire and heart of the guru. So he fulfills the needs and service of the master before the master asks. That's the first class servant. That's a kinkari. That's the manjari. They fulfill Radharani's wishes and needs before she even asks. Because they feel they're bhav tadatmya. Bhav tadatmya. Radharani is their praneshwari. Pran Eshwari. We have our pancha pran, apan, upan, all that. Pran, apan. Our pran. So Radharani is controlling the pran. The pran is the essence of one's existence. The mind moves by pran, the heart moves by pran. We live by pran. And the mantris live by Radharani. So Radharani is their pran. Praneshwari, the controller of their life's essence is Radharani. So they're bhav tad atmyam. Tad, that, bhav, mahabhav of Radha, atmyam. Atma means my very being, my mind, my body, my heart, everything is Atma. Bhav tadatmya. So because they're so much one with Radharani's bhav, that they can feel the sweetness that Radharani feels. What Radharani perceives, the sweetness of Madhupati, that Lord of sweetness, Krishna, Shamsundar, Damodar, Madhav. They feel it, they taste it, they understand it, they relish it, and they serve it. They bring Madhupati to Madhuri Radha. That's their seva.